If you're thinking about buying hearing aids, Audien Hearing might be a product you're considering. But before you make that decision, there are 7 important things you need to know to ensure you're making the right choice. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how Audien Hearing stacks up against the competition and whether it's the right fit for you. First off, Audien Hearing is one of the most affordable hearing aids on the market. When you compare it to industry giants like Phonak or Starkey, Audien's prices are significantly lower, which is a big deal if you're on a budget. Unlike traditional hearing aids, which can run thousands of dollars, Audien Hearing offers an affordable solution without compromising on quality. That said, their hearing aids still deliver impressive sound clarity, with a focus on amplifying the higher frequencies that can make a difference for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. Next thing to consider is the design and comfort. Audien Hearing's devices are small and discreet, fitting snugly in your ear. When you look at competitors like Eargo, you'll notice that Audien has a more streamlined, less bulky design. They're lightweight, and their custom fit molds help with comfort, even for long hours of use. If you've ever had to deal with bulky hearing aids that feel heavy or uncomfortable, you'll appreciate the difference Audien makes in ensuring their hearing aids stay comfortable without compromising on effectiveness. The third thing you should know is how simple they are to use. Many hearing aids come with complicated apps or settings, but Audien Hearing keeps things straightforward. You won't find yourself constantly fiddling with buttons or struggling with confusing apps. This simplicity is one of the reasons Audien is gaining popularity among those who want something that just works, without the technical fuss. Whether you have some experience with hearing aids or are a first-time user, you'll find the experience refreshingly user-friendly. The fourth thing to note is battery life. Audien's hearing aids are designed to last a long time on a single charge. With competitors like Lively offering rechargeable options, Audien's hearing aids give you 16 to 18 hours of battery life, which should be more than enough for a full day of use. They also come with a portable charger that allows you to keep your hearing aids powered throughout the day, which is a convenience that makes a big difference in everyday use. Another important point is the warranty and support. Audien Hearing offers a 45-day risk-free trial, so if you're not satisfied with your purchase, you can return the device with no questions asked. This is great because, unlike traditional hearing aids, which might come with a limited trial period or require visits to audiologists for returns, Audien gives you the flexibility to try the product from home. Plus, their customer service is responsive and available to help with any issues or questions you may have. The sixth thing worth mentioning is the customization options. While Audien Hearing doesn't offer the vast range of programs and customization settings that some high-end brands do, they do provide basic customization to help you tune the sound to your preference. This is particularly useful for people who need a straightforward no-fuss option, but if you need more advanced features, like environmental adjustments, other brands might be a better fit. The final thing to consider is how Audien Hearing compares in terms of value for the price. When you consider the low cost, the good performance, and the risk-free trial, it's hard to ignore just how much value Audien provides for the money. For anyone who's been put off by the high costs of traditional hearing aids or feels overwhelmed by all the choices out there, Audien offers an excellent alternative that combines affordability with quality. Now, if you're wondering whether Audien Hearing is the right choice for you, there's a way to test it out with no commitment. You can get the best offer for Audien Hearing through the first link in the description, where you can try it completely free with a risk-free trial. This is your chance to experience it for yourself and see how it stacks up against the competition. So if you want to try out Audien Hearing, click that first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. You won't regret giving it a shot.